Hey there everyone, welcome to Windows Nexus, and in this video I will show you the easiest trick to convert images to PDF. So here I have got all these files which are of PNG format and I would like to convert them to a PDF. So what we can do in this case is we simply need to select all these files and then make a right click. Now click on print. Now here in printer, we will just wait for a while. Now from here you can select your paper size, and then from quality you can go for any quality. Now let's click here on option, and from here you can further customize it. Now let me click OK. Now here we need to select Microsoft Print to PDF, and then from here you can select the size of it. I'm gonna go here and maybe I will be selecting A4. And now if we go here in option, you're gonna see following more options available. You can also go here in printer properties where you can change the orientation. Alright, now let's click on print, and now here I can specify where I would like to keep it. So I'm gonna say, let's say I will be keeping here, and let me write a name. And there you go. Now let me bring that PDF that we just printed, which is here. Let me bring it to the same folder and paste it here. Now let me open it, and there you go. Here I can see the images now got converted to PDF. And let's wrap up this video, guys. This was how we can convert multiple images to PDF without any need of installing any third-party software inside Microsoft Windows. Hope you find it helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Windows Nexus for more such videos, and I will catch you soon. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.